Roger, we are green light for extraction. Ammo weapons resupply inbound.
Lies on HVT, going loud.
Hi guys, welcome back to AirSplat's On Demand. I'm Jake, and today I'm presenting a very special episode regarding our Golden Ticket Contest winners. Sure. I have Eric right here to my right. Alright, so your name is Grant.
Yes.
Right now I'm presenting Dom. He's one of our other winners for the Golden Ticket. Alright, so we have our last Golden Ticket winner, and his name is Sam. And so where are you from again?
I'm from Richmond, Virginia.
And you're from, you said you're from Vegas,
Yeah,
correct?
Vegas, yeah.
And then you guys are up in, you said you're in Northern California.
Yeah, Sacramento.
So you're from around Southern California too, correct?
Yeah, pretty close.
Right. First, you can tell us what you won.
A sweet saw. UK Arms, M249, biggest, baddest gun I could probably ever pick up. This thing's a beast.
Please tell all of our viewers how you found out that you won.
I got the airsoft bag one day, and there's this ticket in it, and so I opened it, and it said that I won the contest.
Right on.
It was very simple. Easy. Actually, I ordered some BBs for my son, and I just happened to order buy two 5,000 bags, get one free. To our surprise, we had won the Golden Ticket.
Well, I got a gun for Christmas, and it was just in the airsoft bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I didn't see it at first, actually.
There we go.
Bye.
Take it easy, dude. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah. Thanks, man. It's great meeting you.
Yeah.
Buy all of our stuff from AirSplat now.
That was fun, man. Thank you guys. AirSplat, great, awesome. Thanks for the hospitality.